Hi, Manu Sharma, and you're watching Not Just Any Review. Amazon Prime usually releases its series at about midnight. However, they did make an exception with Mirzapur 2 when the series released before midnight. The same thing happened with Tandav. Tandav released at 9:30 p.m. and that's when I started watching it. The series is 8 episode long. The first two episodes are 40 minutes each and the last like the other 6 have 30 minutes of screen time. So in 4 hours, for us 15 minutes, you'll be done with the series completely. If you haven't heard about Tandav yet, Tandav is a political series that released on Amazon Prime. It stars Saif Ali Khan, Dimple Kapadia, Sunil Grover, Zishan Ayub, Mukund Mishra, Sarah Jane Dias, Gohar Khan, Kritika Kamra, and several other people.
अब इस राजनीति में चाणक्य नीति लानी पड़ेगी. If you can't be the king, be the kingmaker. मतलब राज्य न बन सको तो कम से कम राज्य के गुट्टे पकड़ लो. के अंदर एक गुस्सा है और मेरा तो नाम ही शिवा है, इसलिए बहुत सारा है.
राजनीति के खेल में हर खिलाड़ी के पास एक चाल चलने का मौका आता है.
मैं इलेक्शन लड़ूंगा सर, अपनी पार्टी बना के. अब होगा तांडव.
When I see the trailer, I was literally hooked onto it and I was very excited for the series to come up because the trailer was grand, it was pompous, it was powerful, it was everything that you would expect a trailer to be. It was something that I assumed would be a game changer for the OTT series. However, Ali Abbas Zafar's debut to the OTT series is not going to be as grand as he expected it to be. I'll go with the positives first because I think we should talk about the good things first and then we can talk about what went wrong with this series. The good part about it is the performance of the cast. I think they've done an amazing job in here. They are so good. Some of the performances are so splendid that you'll be blown away by them, particularly Saif Ali Khan and Sunil Grover. Saif Ali Khan, I think, should play more negative characters because that somehow brings out the best in him. Ek Hasina Thi, Omkara, Tanhaji, and now Tanda. All four of these fabulous job done by him. When you see him in this particular role, you'll be like, you know what, he was meant to do this particular thing. Similarly, Sunil Grover, I was pleasantly surprised by him. He plays the right hand of Saif Ali Khan and he glides through the performance like anything. He's as smooth as butter in this particular performance, and I was like, you know what? This is what it is. At times, he's even better than Saif Ali Khan, which is a compliment on its own. Dimple Kapadia was also great. I liked her as well in the series because I've always seen her in positive roles, and this was one negative character that she played, and she looked very good here. Zishan Ayub, as always, is a good actor. Here also, he's done a very good job. So, no complaints there. Kritika Kamra has done an amazing job. She looks very good. She plays the part perfectly well. Gohar Khan is also decent. My problem is with Sarah Jane Dias. She had one particular expression and it did not change. I think she could have done something better and it could have enhanced the whole thing. Other characters like Anup Soni, Hiten Tejwani, Sandhya Amritul, and several other characters have done a good job there. Playing the part well and it's working out for them. The problems now for me lay within the storyline. The storyline is too predictable. I, in fact, started to play a game after 2 episodes. I was like, you know what, let's play a game where I predict what is going to happen next. And I kid you not, 70% of the time I was right. So, you don't want to watch a series where you know what is going to happen next. You want to be thrilled, you want to be excited, you want to feel like, oh my god, ये तो पता ही नहीं होने वाला था. But यहाँ पे you're like, oh my god, ये तो मेरे को पता था होने वाला. So this is something that I did not like about it. The storyline after a while was dragged while the time was moving forward, but it was stuck somewhere. So I expected that to be done even better. There's a fact versus fiction in between where it could have been concealed and done creatively well, where you would expect more creativity out of a director who's done a lot of movies, but यहाँ पे there was very less of creativity. I think the only thing that held the particular series float was the star cast. अगर star cast का performance अच्छा नहीं होता, this series would not even have received a star by anybody. Another problem for me with the movie was its creative aspect. There was very little creativity. I think things could have been concealed more and displayed more creatively. जहाँ पे a surprise element, a want element goes away. So my basic problem was with the storyline and the execution. अगर storyline थोड़ा और improved होता, if the plot was a little more interesting, and if the execution and the creativity was at par with what an audience would expect, this would be a bomb of a series, because this series had so much potential. Ali Abbas Zafar had a dream star cast in front of him who did not only look good on screen or were good actors, but also worked very hard on this particular series. They played their roles perfectly well. The problem lay with the storyline. So I think if that had worked out, this would have been the game changer in the OTT platform, but unfortunately, it wasn't. If you're into political dramas or if you want to watch the series for the performances, you must go and watch it. It deserves a watch for at least the performances. However, if you're somebody who's not into political stuff and who does not want to watch dramas like these, I think you will definitely skip it. So even if you're going to watch it, please watch it for the stars, not for the storyline. Storyline में अपना दिमाग मत खराब करिए, because you'll be like, you know what, not working out. So that's it. That's all for now. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, click on the subscribe button. If you want to keep receiving notifications, please click on the bell icon. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Please let us know how you liked this particular series and how you liked the review. Let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.